All right, so first off, don't blame me for this. You need to blame Willie Doo, aka Hilly Who. This thing here, I mean, you can tell from the presentation, very sketchy, but I inspected what was in this bag and I was like, man, that is so crazy. That might just be crazy enough for me. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. A little muzzle there. It's called Blox Vox. This strap and these earbuds. Now this thing is crazy, it's bananas, it's wild. What you do with this thing is you strap it on your face and you supposedly you have a private conversation in public so that the people around you can't hear what you're saying while you're talking into your headset. So this is what you're gonna look like, something like this.
You can probably hear me right now. I assume that you could still hear me, but it's muffled a little bit and I'm yelling, of course. The tighter that you put it on, man, you really gotta breathe through your nose here. I'm getting choked out. The tighter you put it on, the quieter you're gonna sound. Okay?
The tighter you put this on, the quieter that you will sound. Now, I get it. This goes over your mouth. This thing straps on to hold it there, but then how are you talking? There's no microphone in here, right? But there's a little mesh area over on the side right there. It's the size of your microphone piece on a generic, straightforward headset like this one. There's a little slit on the outside, and this inserts into there. Like that. So now you have access to the mic and then this goes up into your ear. I'm gonna talk to Will. I'm gonna try to talk to Will. I'm gonna try to call Will through this and we're gonna listen to what it sounds like. He's gonna tell us if it makes any sense or if this is the most ridiculous thing to ever come through Unbox Therapy HQ. You're gonna look a little bit insane, obviously, wearing this in public. Jack, you can't pull it off. A guy like you?
Oh man. Oh my goodness. This is already, it's feeling really bad right now. Tighten this up a bit here. Can anyone hear me right now? You guys can hear me right now. Oh man, this is uncomfortable. This is weird. Can you still hear me right now? You can. What if I'm this volume right here? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? I'm hyperventilating. Can they hear anything that I'm saying? Okay, Will, get over here. We need you, brother. It's not comfortable at all.
Ladies and gentlemen! I had to take this off for that.
Oh my goodness. This is rough.
Hey.
Hi there, Will.
You sound good. You sound pretty clear. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. I can totally hear you. There's no muffling there. Yeah, it's a bit weird though, because I can hear you clearly here, but you're, you know, here it's like a low end situation. What's that? Like.
Okay, so right now, I'm just whispering. I'm whispering. So that nothing comes through the muzzle. But I feel like it's still coming through a little bit. And definitely if I'm talking to this guy, volume. But what about this voice? What about now? Do I sound like me? Bruce Wayne! Bruce Wayne! I don't know.
I mean, it does work.
No! This is what you did to me! See, I think the truth about this is that Will's trying to muzzle me and hearing my crotchety old tones.
Yeah, sometimes.
Well, that's rude, first of all. Tell the people the truth.
It's a little ridiculous looking.
Try it on. Here you go. Yeah, no, try it on, and I don't care. Here, take it all. Take it all in.
Oh boy.
That's your whole story right there.
It's really sweaty.
This is not possible. This is not a thing. Do you want to see a future in which people are walking around with this on their face?
No. It kind of works if you want to mumble. Yeah, it is what it is, I guess. I mean, you're shaking your head.
Should people go and buy this thing? Yes or no? Will?
Oh man, you gotta put me on the spot. No. I would say no.
Exactly. You roll up into the Starbucks with this, they're seriously gonna wonder what you're about. Even if this thing worked perfectly, just the appearance of it alone is so catastrophic.
Yeah.
So offensive.
Yeah,
That
it
it
would-
cannot possibly exist. You would need to have a private conversation so badly in a public place to justify ever reaching for this thing. This is a disaster.
I mean,
We're cyborgs!
the whole strap is very.
This is gonna be forever associated with Willie Doo. Are you happy about it? This is your identity now. Willie Doo.
No.
Yes, he believes this is the future. He put this thing in front of me. He ruined my day and also ruined yours. All right, so there it is.